All right. So let us start the session. Good. So good evening, everyone. Yeah, good evening. Online team, is my voice is clear? Can I get a response? I need a response from anyone. Can somebody respond, please? My voice is clear, I guess. Okay. Fine then. Let us start. Let me prepare running notes. So today the topic is a string continuation, sir. The string topic is continuation. Now date is 13. So let me ask a question. Are you following running notes? Is it helping? If it is not helping, I will stop to share actually. Helping, right? Good. So fine. Good. Can I change the status? We done this one, right? Okay. And so this one is a running topic. Part 1 and even upcoming topic is a topic number 13. Part 2. Upcoming topic. These are all good. Very good. Fine. What is the running topic, sir? Tell me. String. Good. Yeah. So let me give a small recap what we have covered yesterday. Regarding yesterday, what I covered, so I hope we closed the flow control chapter. What is the chapter name? Flow control chapter. Under flow control chapter, there are some specific keywords we have. That keywords we covered very clearly. If, else, elif, for, while, break, continue, pass. Pass we didn't cover. I can cover later actually. Important. Flow control chapter is a very, very important. And immediately we started the topic. The topic name is called as a string chapter. Yeah, good. So whenever you are learning about the string chapter, first point you have to understand what is a string. First point you have to understand what is a string. I hope I made it very clear. And the second one will be how to create. What is the second one, sir? How to create. These are all important points, man. Once you understand how to create, the next one is how to access. Good. Why? Because wherever sequence object is there, keep in mind that wherever sequence object is there, these are all points you need to understand. I'm not sure either you remembered or not actually. For the same range data type, I covered in the same format actually. Did you remember? Range data type. Good. What is a string? A group of characters enclosed within either single quote, double quote, triple quote. When you're talking about the triple quote, again, two types actually. What is the first one, sir? Single triple quote. Next one is double triple quote. Yeah, we can create like that. And how to create, we understand. And when we supposed to go for single quote, double quote, triple quote means, whenever you are creating a string, generally first name, second name, last name, these are all names we can create actually. Any real-time developer, they will use double quote only. They will use what exactly? Sir, there is no fixed notation. Still, you can use single quotation also. But being a data scientist and a real-time employee, if anyone is asking, hey, can you create a one string means my hand always goes on double quote actually. That point I hope you need to understand. Second one will be sometimes based on requirement, I would like to create a single character. I would like to create what exactly? Then you can go for single quote. You can go for what exactly? Single quote. Whenever I'm talking about the triple quote actually, especially double triple quote, we can use for two purposes, man. The first one is a to create a comments, and next one is what exactly? To create a multi-line comment, multi-line string actually. To create what exactly? Multi-line string. This is the exact purpose. I hope you understand this one. Am I right? Good. Once you understand, what are the ways to create, then it's the right time how to access a string actually. It's a very simple, sir. We can access a string by using index, by using what exactly? Index. And next one, by using slicing. Hold on, please. Please don't consider spelling mistakes. Slicing. And by using for loop also. By using what exactly, sir? By using for loop also. For loop also. These are all things I hope we covered actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Once we understand this one, then immediately I have started. Yeah, here onwards I need to continue. And there are two topics, mutable and immutable, I covered actually. Am I right? But anyway, let me continue from here onwards actually. Good. Let's continue the discussion. Please focus. Today, yeah. I hope there is a major topic today. Am I right? Yesterday, did I give in any announcement actually? Yeah. Okay. Let me explain the today's session agenda. No. What is the today's session agenda? In another 30 minutes, we are going to jumping from mutable to here actually. Membership operator, we will see accordingly. What is a mutable, immutable, practical you will see. Next one is a string having what nature? Immutable nature. Important interview questions, sir. You guys need to please focus. There are few math operators. There are what exactly? When I'm talking about the math operator, always we worked with the numbers. Am I right or not, sir? Plus, if I say addition, then you have to imagine addition with numbers. Am I right? If I say multiplication, multiplication with what exactly? Numbers. But surprisingly, there are couple of operators in a math actually. The first one is a plus operator, second one is a multiplication operator. These operator work with string. Work with what exactly? We'll see what kind of nature we are going to get actually. That is the first point. Length of this string. I have created a string. I just wanted to know how many characters are available inside string. I just wanted to know the number of characters in a string. Then you can find out by using a length function actually. Next one is a membership operator. We'll say respectively. Man, there is a major topic today. The topic name is what exactly, sir? Methods in string. One more time. Last time. And my favorite topic actually. Right. So if it is my favorite topic, I will dance like anything actually. Why? Because I like that topic very well. That explanation you can touch the sky actually. We'll see accordingly. Good. Let me start from here. Mutable and immutable. Sir, it's a very simple, sir. First of all, understand this notation. Mutable means can be changed. Mutable means what exactly? Can be changed actually. And next one is immutable. Next one is what exactly, sir? Immutable. Cannot be changed. What is that one? Cannot be changed actually. So something like that you need to understand. We do have a data. We do have what exactly? Data. Once you created a data, and few things can be changed actually. One of the best example is a salary component. One of the best example is what exactly? Sir, am I right or not? Once the day when you join in a company, every year or else based on company requirement, every 6 months, company will provide the hike. Company will provide what exactly? If initially, if your salary is a 35,000, then next year it should be 45,000, 55,000, something like that. I mean to say that backend salary is a variable. And once backend the salary variable is created, it is keep on changing. Then it is having what nature actually? Mutable nature. What nature? Mutable nature. Okay, that point you need to understand. Next one. Let me talk about passport number, sir. What is that one actually? Passport number. Once, according to your certificate and Aadhaar card, once the passport assigned actually, the number, assuming that, hey, my grandfather account number is 123, my grandmother passport number is 234. Can I get a 456? Can we ask like that actually? No. They will call security. They will go to whom, sir, actually? I mean to say that once they assign passport number, that is a fixed. That is what exactly? Fixed. Means we cannot change. I mean to say that passport number having what nature actually? Immutable nature. What nature? Immutable nature. Are you getting, sir? Good. Let me show you practical. One of the best example is list to data structure. One of the best example is what exactly, sir? List data structure. I will show you practically. One of the best example for immutable nature is string data type. What is that one, sir? String data type. Can somebody talk with me? Mutable example. Tell me. List to data structure. Immutable example. String data type. Are you getting, sir? Good. Now let me tell you. Online team, I hope you are following, right, sir? First of all, ignore this mutable and immutable. Let me explain in a simple way actually for your better understanding. Come here actually. So I would like to say this is list to data structure. This is what exactly, sir? List to data structure. Please focus. Please focus on this session. Values equals to 10, 20. Let us play with the list data structure. Good. And can I print values, boss? Come on, boss. I need response actually. Good, good. Now take this one. As usual, let us just try to come here and create this one. Understand the program to understand the concept very clearly. All files. Go to the program. Oh, sorry, man. Where I need to save as actually? Go to the desktop, programs here, demo 1.py. Now, all files. Save this one. Let me delete this. Come on. In a very simple way, I just created a list data structure and group of values I'm printing actually. Can somebody talk with me? What is output we are going to get? 10, 20, 30, 40, sir. Am I right or not? 10, 20, 30, 40 we are going to get. Now hold on. It's cool. Now, can I access only this first value? Tell me, talk with me. How can you access any idea? Print of, yeah, values of, I hope you already know, it is following indexing nature. Now the point is, like how string data type is backend following indexing nature, same thing like the copy paste nature, list to data structure also it is having. List to data structure backend, every value it stores in the form of indexing concept, in the form of what exactly, sir? Indexing concept. Now just try to see what is the value you are going to get. Do let me know. Yeah, tell me, sir, what is the value? 10. If you are having any doubt, actually, go back. There is one of the beautiful website. What is that website name, sir? Python Tutor. I hope you already know. Come on quickly. Yeah, you can edit your code actually. Control A, delete, Control V, visualize execution. Click onto the last actually. Sir, look at my screen very clearly. Yes. Once you are creating a list data structure, backend it is storing list data structure actually. Yeah, every value it is storing with what actually? Index. 10 value, what is index position? 0. 40 value, what is index position? Is there any 50 index would you have actually? No. Good, very good. Now, just try to come here. Yeah, what is output you are going to get? Fine. Then next one, what is output, sir? Very good. I hope you already got a clear picture actually. Go back. Now, let me show you the reality. Come back to the discussion. Are you ready? I'm going to show one example. What I'm showing, look at my screen. Hey, Daniel, uh, first index position value is what exactly? Value of 0. Okay, value of 0. I don't want first index value is the 10. I need 99. I need what exactly? What exactly I'm planning, I don't want 10 value. Can I update instead of 10? Can I take 99 actually? Yes, you can take, sir. What I'm doing, you have to understand actually. Initially, the value is created with 10 only. The value is created with what exactly? 10 only. Can I change the value? Sir, you can change. If you wanted to update or else if you wanted to modify the existing value, what you need to do, take this name of the variable. Okay, good. What is the position for this one? Tell me. 0. Then index of 0 equals to 99. What you wanted to replace actually, do let me know. 99. 99 actually. This is seriously very good. What exactly we are doing, Hey boss, value of 0 value is the 10. I already know. I don't want value of 0 position as a 10 value. Can I update the value? You can update. Because list having mutable nature. List having what nature actually? Mutable nature. Are you getting, sir? Good. Now let me print this one actually. This is what exactly, sir, line number 2 indicating before updating. Line number last one indicating what exactly, sir? After updating. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now save this example. Now let us just try to run this example. Wow, this is seriously super. First of all, did you understand this example? What exactly happened? Can somebody talk with me? Simple, sir. Initially, list to data structure having 10 value as a first position. 10 value is what exactly? First position. I don't want 10 value. Can I change the value? You can change. Why? Because backend list data structure having mutable nature. List data structure having what nature actually? Mutable nature. Did you understand this point first of all? Hold on. If you understand this one, then the next discussion is a very easy actually. Good. Now conclusion of this story. This is the output. This is the output actually. And the conclusion is, what is the conclusion, you know? Yeah, list having, you know, list having what nature, sir? Mutable nature. What nature actually? Mutable nature. Kindly please remember this point actually. Now let me prove string having immutable nature. What nature actually? Immutable nature. Let me prove practically. Sir, same thing. Come on. I hope we can do the same in way actually. Now let us just try to take name equals to Daniel. Name equals to what exactly? Daniel actually. Very good. Let me print what exactly, sir? Name. What is the output you are going to get? Very good. What is the output you are going to get? Daniel actually. How to access a first character? I will cry if you didn't reply. Why? Because I already covered yesterday actually. How to access the first character? Tell me. Then just try to write a print here actually. Can I call first character something like that actually? No, sir. How to access? Name of, tell me, 0. Am I right or not? Why? Because, you know, string follows indexing concept. Same thing like a list data structure. Now save this one and you can run this one actually. Till now, any questions? Any questions actually? Come on. Now what I'm planning, you know, previously, I don't want 10 values in a 0th position. Same thing like that. I don't want 0 position will be the D letter. I don't want 0th position is what exactly? D letter. Can I change actually? Sir, you should not change. Why? Because string having one great nature. What is that nature? You know, immutable. Once you created a string fixed, once you created what exactly string, that is a fixed, sir. You should not update actually. You should. This is something like a marriage actually. Once you married, gone case. Are you getting or not? Just I'm getting, sir. Come on. Now just try to come here. Let us take name of 0. Name of 0 equals to. I don't want D letter. Can I give something like a T letter actually? Can I give something like what exactly? T letter. First of all, try. If you want, you can try, boss. Now save this example and you can just try to see. Previously updated. Am I right or not? Now just try to check it out. I'm just trying to running this one. Wow. We are getting error. What is that error? Read everyone. One more time. Last time. Sir, very, very important. Good. Now read the description also. STR object does not support what exactly, sir? Item assignment. Indirectly, it is saying, you know, hey, boss, once you created once you created a string data type, actually, it is a fixed. It is what exactly? Fixed. Don't try to change actually. If you're trying to changing, you will get an error. That error name is a type error. Error name is what exactly? Type error. Good. Now just try to come here. So conclusion. String having what nature, sir? Immutable nature. Good. So there was a good question from the previous batch actually. One of the student, a really good question. What is the question, you know? Are Daniel, it is okay. In my Aadhaar card, I hope everyone knows about the Aadhaar card actually. In my Aadhaar card, my name will be something like a Nirikshan. My name is what exactly? Nirikshan. Assume that one of the student asked a question. My name is Nirikshan actually. Generally, I hope you know Aadhaar card can be update. Aadhaar card can be what exactly, sir? Aadhaar card can be updated in the sense back end what they're updating actually name. What they're updating? Name. Name means what exactly? String. Name means what exactly? No doubt at all there is a conflict. What I explain and what in real time it is happening in the back end actually. Am I right or not? Sir, this is important interview question. First of all, string having immutable nature. How Aadhaar card system back end it is getting updating, you know, there is a topic. The topic name is called as a replace method. What is the topic name actually? Replace method. Hold on, I will cover. Today is that is a major topic actually. Important interview question. That point also you need to understand actually, right? And I can cover this point later. Let us continue the session as of now. Let me talk with online team. Online team, I need a response, sir, please. Good, come on, please. All right, let's move on. So I hope I already covered this. String having mutable nature. What is the next topic? You know, please walk through. What is error, sir? Tell me. Error name is a type error. I hope we already listed, I guess. Am I right? Can we read the errors once? Would you like interest actually? Hmm. Read the error name, sir. No, we didn't list it actually. Yeah, tell me. Let me list out. What is the error name? Type error. Type error. Good. Read everyone, sir. Syntax error, name error, value error, indentation error, index error, type error. Very good. Generally, the order can be looks pretty good. These are all order actually. Anyway, let us just try to maintain these two are the last actually. This number 4, number 5. Sir, one more time, please, for my satisfaction. Syntax error, name error, value error, type error, indentation error, index error. Would you have a separate discussion, exception handling? During that time, I will cover clearly what error and which situation you are going to get actually. As of now, let us follow the session. Good. Yeah. Uh, in a math actually, would you have a few operators we already have seen in a math operators actually? In a math operator, there are special two operators actually. What are those operators, you know, sir? One is a plus operator, next one is a star operator. One is what exactly? Plus operator. Generally, we already know, sir. We know well. We know well, need to apply, need to what exactly? Apply over numbers. Apply over what exactly? Numbers. We know very well these two are operators actually. Hold on. But you know what? Surprisingly, these two operators, these two operators, we can apply over string objects or what exactly? Over strings. So let me just try to talk about the string actually. Good. Now let me tell you how exactly it is working in the backend. Please focus on this. Now just try to come here, sir. Let me show you practically. Let me take, the first variable name is a, good. First underscore name equals to Daniel. Second underscore name. This is something like a second name equals to Kasagani. Good. Now, I just wanted to print one by one. First underscore name and next one is what exactly, sir? Second underscore name. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. Now just try to come here. Second underscore name. Anything went wrong? No, right? Now let's run this example. What is output you are going to get? Daniel and what exactly? Kasgan. Now look at my screen, sir. First underscore name. Let us just try to give a plus symbol. What symbol actually? Plus symbol. Second variable name is what exactly? Second underscore name. Now what exactly we are doing, seems to be, do let me know, 10 plus 20. What is the result, boss? What is the result actually? Good. Let me show you practically. Means plus operator over the number, it is applying like a addition. It is applying what exactly? Addition. Now the same operator, let me apply over the string. Same operator, let me apply what exactly, sir? Over string. Whenever you are applying plus operator over the string, what exactly happen, it's concatenates the string. What exactly happens, sir? Concatenates means it's very simple. It joins the string. Like a first string and second string, it will join actually, right? Now just try to see the output actually is boss. Exactly. Yes, it is joining actually. It is what exactly? Joining. That point you need to understand. Now just try to come here. Plus operator concatenating. Plus operator, what it is doing, sir? Concatenating. If you want a space here actually, what we need to do? Just try to come here. Here, either here you need to provide a space or here you need to provide a space actually. Save this one and you can run like this actually. Getting right? Good. I hope you understand. Plus operator, what it is doing actually? Concatenating two strings. One more time. Concatenating two string actually. Now it's the right time. Multiplication operator you need to understand. What operator you need to understand, sir? Multiplication operator. So very simple. Let us take a name. Something like a Python. Now let me just try to print Python. Name actually. What is output? Tell me. Python. Go. Now the same word I just wanted to print it 3 times. The same word I just wanted to print how many times actually? 3 times actually. What you can do, just try to come here. Provide a star symbol. Provide what exactly? Star symbol. How many times you wanted to print? Just provide here as a 3. Sir, we know very well. Star is an operator. LHS side and RHS side both are numbers. Still now we know that one very well actually. But today during string topic, you need to understand star operator, you can apply over the string also. You can apply over what exactly? String also. But in real time, we are not using. As per the syllabus, I need to cover a few things actually. Whenever you are applying star operator over the string, it repeats the string. What exactly happened? Repeating actually. How many times it repeats actually? 3 times. Now let's run this one. Okay. If you want, just try to come here, provide one small space actually, so that it will be more meaningful. Now observe this one actually. Wow, 3 times. Hey Daniel, can I give 30 times actually? Sir, you can give, no limitation. Can I give 300 times actually? Can I give? We don't have a time, otherwise I can give actually 3000 also we can give, sir. You can print actually, keep on. Getting right? Yeah, what exactly happening in the backend, string operator repeating the string. I'm sorry, man. Star operator repeating what exactly? String. Here, number what you are providing, that many times it is repeating actually. That point you need to understand. Okay. Let me walk through the document. I understand. Previously, one student asked a question. I applied. What I applied actually? Plus operator I applied. Second one, star operator I applied actually. Daniel, can I apply division operator? What operator? Yeah, good question. I have to respect actually. Let me provide, sir. Let me provide with that operator and just try to cross verify actually. Now get ready. Can I run actually? Can I run? Enter button. Good, sir. Now just study what is output actually? Type error. Unsupported operand type. Operand, this is more than enough actually. In a math operator only in the sense these two operators we need to apply. The first one is a plus operator, next one multiplication operator. That's it. Apart from that, we should not use any other operator actually. If you are using any other operator, you will get what error actually? Type error. Type error. Good. Take this one. Sir, simple, sir. Coding is very easy. I need your concentration. That's it. Okay. Yeah, what is the next one? We can perform two math operators in between the string, addition operator, multiplication operator, addition operator with the string. The plus operator works like a concatenation in between the string. Concatenation is also called as a joins the string. Just try to say multiplication operator. This operator works with the string to do what exactly? Repetition, something like a repeating the string actually. Just try to say what is the number you are giving? 3. 3 times it is printing. The next one is a length of the string. Sir, important, sir. Very, very important. Please focus. Length of the string. Name equals to Daniel. Good. Print of. Today, new function I'm introducing. Please focus on this one actually. Now let me print the name. What is output you are going to get? Daniel. Sir, how many characters would you have? Yeah, 6. What you done actually? Manually, you done countdown. Am I right? Tell me. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sir, if it is a small string, you can count actually. Assuming that there is a long string, would you have? Counting take a lot of time. Counting what exactly? Take a lot of time. That's why once you created a string, if you wanted to find out the number of characters in a string, we do have a one predefined function. That predefined function name is a length. What is that predefined function name? Length actually. It's a very simple, sir. Understand the spelling. Print of what I told actually. What is the predefined function name? length actually. And here what we need to provide? Name. But let me tell you, Python always follows shortest notation. Python always follows what exactly? Shortest notation. Means it won't like long names actually. Then automatically do let me know len. What is the name of the function? Len actually. Good. Now just try to save this example. Run this one. Wow. Exactly we are getting what exactly, sir? Yeah. Length is a predefined function. By using that, we can find out the number of characters present in a string. Number of characters present in what exactly? String actually. Hold on. Now provide a space and do let me know how many characters actually. 1, 6, 7. Do you think 7 actually? Do you think 7? Why 8, sir? Exactly. That point you need to understand, right? Space also calculate like a string only. Space also calculate what exactly? That point you need to understand, right? Now come here. Please focus. If any question, please do let me know. I'm happy to help you. Got it. What is the function name actually? Tell me. Length. Can we list out what are all well-known functions till now actually? I just wanted to, hear from you functions, sir. Tell me, what is the first one? Print. Very good. And the purpose of, yeah. First of all, list out actually. Next one is a type. Very good. Next one is input. Nice, man. Next one, range actually. We can go according to the order. Okay. P1, next one is what exactly? Range of Can I make it start and what exactly? End actually. Very good. Any other function? INT. Very good, man. Any other function? Float. Anyway, these are all things we already covered actually. And today, yeah, integer, float, list, set, dictionary. Let us talk about one more function. What is that function name actually? Length. What is that function? Length. Why? Because list, dictionary, set, these are all we didn't cover, right? Practically. Let us just try to ignore those functions as of now. Now just try to come here. What is the purpose, sir? To display the output over the console. What is the purpose actually? To check the data type. To check what exactly? Data type. What is the purpose? To take value at what exactly? Value at runtime. Please focus. Range, to get range of value. And this one also same. And next one is what, sir? You told star, right? Yeah. Star. Same thing like up, yeah, convert from string to integer. Convert from other type to integer data type actually. Length. Wow. Find the values from yeah, sequence actually. Find values from what exactly? Sequence. I mean to say that length function you can apply over the string, over the list, over the set, over the dictionary, wherever sequence of this is available you can apply actually. Let me show you one important point actually. What is the point, sir? Now just try to come here. Good. Now let me take, come here. Values. Can somebody talk with me? 10, 20, 30. How many values would you have, sir? 3 values actually. Now let us just try to print. Tell me. Values. And at the same time, I wanted to check the length actually. How to check? Length of, tell me, values. What is output, sir? The first one is the 8. Next one is what exactly? Good. Daniel, total 8 characters. This is how many values actually? 3 values actually. Now, one important interview discussion you need to understand. What is the point, Values equals to, one more time, 10, 20, 30. Now, let us just try to print length of values. Length of what exactly? Values. Let me just try to print one more time. What is the output? 3. Hey, Daniel, let me provide 10. Let me provide what exactly? 10. One important point. What is the point, Sir, whenever you're applying length function, if it is a sequence, then only you have to apply. I mean to say that length function and sequence both are best friends. If you are calling any other friend, actually, you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. Why? Because this is a single value. This is what exactly? Over single value, you should not apply length. You should not apply what exactly? Length. Now save this example. If you want, you can run this one. Now we'll get an error. What is that error name? Do let me know. Type error. What is that error name? Type error. One more time. Last time. Please make a note. There is a one student. He asked a question. Oh, 6 crossed actually. Fine. Let me ignore the question then. I am not ignoring. Let me tell you. What is the question, Daniel, what is output, sir? Tell me. 6 actually. Very good. What is the question, Hey, I will not provide anything. I will not provide what exactly? Anything. Valid. What is output? Do let me know, sir. Sir, if no characters, what is output actually? 0. That's it actually. If no characters, then output is a 0. Valid, first of all. These are all scenarios. Whenever you guys are doing practice, you will get a clear picture. Go back to the material and you can understand. We can find number of characters in a string by using a length function. By using what function actually? Length function. Next one is a membership operator, and next one is a methods in. Wow. Let us continue. We are running out 5 minutes late actually. Good. What is the next topic actually? Tell me. Membership seems to be somewhere we covered this one actually. Right? During operators topic I covered, but anyway, let's just try to continue the discussion. Good. Now let me take name equals to, these are all names as of now. I would like to say Daniel, Naresh, Suresh. Good. Now print, let me print names. Let me print what exactly? Names. And what is output you are going to get, sir? All names within the string. In a single string, I have created a all group of names actually. We can create like this. Now, hello Daniel. Can I check in the given string? Let us take a in. Let us take what exactly? In. Sir, for in always RHS is required. Next one is what is required actually? LHS. RHS value is always, do let me know, existing sequence object. That point we have to remember like anything actually. I'm repeating one more time. In is a keyword in Python. For in keyword, LHS is required, RHS is required. RHS is always sequence object, sir. RHS is what exactly? Always sequence object. Otherwise, it cannot work actually. That point you need to understand. In a LHS position, now let me cross verify. Is Daniel is available? In the given string, is Daniel is available? Indirectly, you're asking a question. Hello, boss. Daniel in names. Is it available? If it available, it returns Boolean value. What is that Boolean value, sir? True. What is a Boolean value? Sorry. 1 minute. All right. In is a keyword. By using that, we can check the substring in a main string. I'm repeating again. In is a keyword in Python. This is also called as a membership operator. Also called as what exactly? By using this in operator, what we can do, we can check a substring is available in a main string or not. We can check actually. Right, good. Can somebody talk with me? What is output, sir? Why? Tell me. Because Python follows what exactly? Case sensitive. Python follows what exactly? Case sensitive. What do you mean by case sensitive? In the given string, you should not miss the case. You should not miss what exactly? Case. If you are missing, you will get a, yeah. Kindly please walk through this role example. Let me just try to take apple. Good. Let me just try to take, fruit actually. Tell me what is output actually. Tell me, sir. A in fruit. Do let me know what is output. Names is not defined. Good. You can ignore this one as of now. That is not my motto actually. Good. True. You are getting right. Now let me ask a question. Not in. What is output you are going to get? False. See, if you understand in operator, not in is against. Not in is what exactly? Something like a Tom and Jerry. I hope you know the Tom and Jerry, right? If Tom say yes, actually, Jerry, what it will say? Something like a brother, sisters, they can play this kind of game actually, right? Good. Now please observe this one. Go back. We can check definition membership operator. We can check if a string or character is a member of string or not by using what exactly, sir? In and not in operator. I mean to say that by using in operator, we can check either it is a substring or else either it is a main string or member of the string or not. We can cross verify. We can check if a string is a substring of main string or not by using a in or not in operator. Two definitions I have given. In operator returns true if the string or character found in what exactly? Main string. Just try to see. P in Python, true. Z in Python, false. On in Python, true, sir. Yeah. PA in Python, false. Good. Not in operator. Come on, man. If you understand not in operator, actually, in operator, not in, you can easy to understand. The not in operator returns the opposite result of what exactly, sir? In operator. Good. You can kindly please walk through. First of all, ignore this not actually. B in apple. What is output? Do let me know. False. The against output is what exactly? True. Then whenever you are using not in actually, that opposite result we are going to get. Are you clear? Right. These are all very, very important. Now, what is the next topic, sir? Tell me. What is the next topic? Methods in STR class. Good. Let's continue. Maybe the total topic goes to 1 hour or 40 minutes. We'll see accordingly. Online team, can I get a response? Sir, the same topic, the same side heading, the same subheading actually. You can't believe almost for 10 chapters we are going to see. The same subheading intentionally I kept for upcoming topics also. I mean to say that today, if you understand this topic, indirectly you already understand upcoming topics also. What are those topic names, methods in list class. Methods in what exactly? List class. Next one is what exactly, tell me, can somebody talk with me? Methods in tuple class. Methods in what exactly? set a class. Method is in what exactly? Keep on like this. Almost 10 topics, man. Almost what exactly? 10 topics, right? Please focus on the today topic. And let me tell you, before starting only, I'm telling this topic is a very easy. I'm sure from my explanation, you can feel very easy actually. Get ready, right? Yeah, let's continue the discussion. Good. Sir, the topic name is a methods in string, right? Uh, there are two statements I'm writing. Please focus on this one actually. STR is a predefined class. STR is what exactly? Predefined class. Good. Generally speaking, generally speaking, class contains methods. Class contains what exactly? Methods. Good. Read everyone. What is the first statement actually? Sir, hold on. I need a bigger sound. I need what exactly? Bigger sound. Few guys are sleeping. Please, just to wake up for the next 10 minutes actually. After that, you can sleep, please, happily. Right, good. Read everyone, sir. First statement is a STR is a predefined class. Generally speaking, class contains method. One more time. STR is a perfect. Now, you may ask a question, assuming that you are the students, right? You may ask, hey, Daniel, can we prove practically? Can we prove practically? Practically? Yes, sir. We are going to prove practically. Get ready to understand. Right. So now, what is the topic name, sir? Tell me. Methods in STR class. I'm starting the explanation. Good. Let us continue. Sir, let me tell you. Any Python program, any Python program, we can write in a three ways. We can write in how many ways actually? Three ways actually. Three ways. The first one is called as a procedure oriented. What is the first one actually? Procedure oriented. What is the first one? The total topic I will revise 2 times. Why? Because important actually. And second one will be function oriented. What is the second one, sir? Function oriented actually. And third one will be, any idea? Object oriented approach. First one is a procedure oriented approach. First one is a procedure oriented approach actually. And the second one is a function oriented approach. Hold on, please. Focus. And last one is what exactly, sir? Object oriented approach. I just wanted to hear from you. Any Python program, take any program. Let us take today hello example only. Why? Because we're already familiar with that example, right? Any Python example, you can implement in a three ways, man, in a Python. The first one, by using procedure oriented, we can implement. By using what exactly? Procedure oriented. Second one is what exactly? Function oriented. Third one is a object oriented. Let us see practically. If I explained about these are all things, then I'm sure indirectly we proved this one actually. We proved what exactly? This thing. Get ready. Sir, what do you mean by procedure oriented? Hold on, hold on. Let us maintain some social distance for everywhere. First one, procedure oriented approach. You may ask, what is a process? It's very simple, man. Writing a program, writing what exactly? Program by using procedure. By using what exactly? Procedure. That is called as a procedure oriented. That is called as what exactly? Procedure oriented. Apart from that, nothing. Let me write one small example. What is that example? Print of hello. Second one is print of good evening. This is called as a procedure oriented. You are writing the line something like a procedure, line by line. It is called as a procedure. It is called as what exactly? Also called as a sequential. Also called as what exactly? Sequential execution. Right? Very simple. Do you want to execute this example? Not required, right? But anyway, let me execute. Now just try to come here, and I hope you already know the output actually. What is output, sir? Hello. Next one is what exactly? Good evening. Very good. Good evening. Let me write, sir. Let me write in front of you. Just now come here. Can I copy paste? Yeah. I hope you understand the output actually. Very good. And what is the second one actually? Tell me. What is the second one? Sir, interesting. Please focus. Second one is a function oriented. Second one is what exactly? Function oriented approach. Good. Let me tell you. Generally speaking, functional programming language, I made it like a next chapter. I made it like what exactly? Next chapter. That is upcoming chapter. But today, let me give a small kick introduction. Kick introduction in the sense, I will not even explain what is a function. These are all things actually. Just kindly please follow this one. What do you mean by function oriented? It's a simple. Writing a program, writing what exactly? Program by using function. By using what exactly? is called as a function oriented approach. Previously, writing a program by using what exactly, sir? Procedure. Read everyone. Right? Procedure. One more time. Last time. Read this definition, everyone. Writing a program by using function. One more time. Writing a program by using function is called as a function oriented approach. Is called as what exactly? Sir, whenever you are learning about the function, actually, two things you need to understand, man. How many things you need to understand? Two things. Get ready. The first one is how to create a function. How to create what exactly? Function. And the word is very, very important. Let me please focus. How to create a function. And the second one will be how to, any idea? Yeah. Come on. I hope you already know. Access a function. How to access a function. Yeah. If you wanted to become very good in a functional programming language, these 2 points you should understand, man. The first one is writing a program by using a function is called as a function oriented approach. Okay, we understand the definition, theoretical definition. It's a right time. Practically, you need to understand. The first one, how to write, how to create a function, you need to understand. What is the first one? Tell me. How to create a function, you need to understand. Second one is a how to access. I'm sorry, I'm not explaining what is a function. Why? Because what is a function, I will take on an average 25 minutes discussion. How long time, sir? 25 minutes. Hold on. Maybe tomorrow that is the discussion actually. But today, just 2 points try to understand how to create a function, how to access a function. Now, let me tell you how to create a function or how to access a function. It's a very simple, sir. Very simple actually. We can create a function by using one keyword actually. That keyword name is a DEF. What is the keyword name actually? Sir, DEF or DAF actually? DEF. After DEF, you have to write RHS. After DF, what we need to write actually? RHS. And here RHS is a, let me write Daniel. Let me write what exactly? Intentionally, I'm giving my name so that you will understand the name can be anything. Intentionally, I'm giving what exactly? My name so that you will understand you can give any name actually. Read everyone. DEF, Daniel. Function after name, always one thing is required. What is that one? Parenthesis. What is required, sir? Parenthesis. Come on, one more time. DEF, Daniel, parenthesis. After parenthesis, column is required. What is required? I hope you know the next step. What is the next step actually? Very good, man. Just try to go back and provide the indentation. What is the program we are writing actually, sir? Tell me. Hello. Hey, what is output we are achieving actually? First one is a hello. Next one is what exactly? Good evening. Tell me, did you forget or what exactly? Good evening. Am I right or not, sir? Any Python program we can implement in a three ways. The first one is a procedure oriented. Second one is function oriented. Third one is object oriented. Procedure oriented, exactly I have taken this one without function. That is called as a procedure oriented. But the same statement I'm going to write inside function. Frankly speaking, this is called as a successfully we created a function. Successfully we created what exactly? Function. Good. Now take this one. And this is the step number one actually. This is called as a how to create a function. It's a very simple, point number one. By using def keyword, we can create a function. We can create a function by using def keyword. What keywords are? Tell me. Def keyword. Good. Very good. Now, anyway, we have written a function successfully actually. Sir, tell me what is output actually? What is output? Tell me. Hello, good evening. One more time. Last time. Why I'm asking, you will understand actually. Let me save the example. Let me just try to go to the, here actually. Can I hit enter button? Get ready. Sir, one point you need to understand. What point you need to understand? We created a function successfully. Once the function created, the next step is we should understand how to access the function. We should understand what exactly? How to access the function. The point will be, if you're not calling the function, you cannot get the output. See, I have created a function, but I'm not calling. If you call the function, then only the function will be triggered and these two output you are going to get actually. Team, are you getting or not? Good. Now just try to come here. Let me, the calling is, what is the name of the function, sir? Tell me. Daniel. Now just try to take this one, including parenthesis actually. Now let us just try to take, sir, this is called as a calling the function. This is called as what exactly? Calling them successfully. We created a function and we are calling. Now, what is output, sir? Can somebody tell me? Output is what exactly now? Wow, exactly. Hello, good evening, actually. Without understanding the function definition, I mean to say that what is a function? You understand two things actually. What are those two things? Tell me. How to create a function. Next one is how to access it. Sir, tell me one more time. How to create a function. How to access it. Hold on. Now take this example. This is something like, creating and accessing, creating plus accessing, also called as a calling the function, also called as what exactly? Sir, in front of you, let me create a few more functions so that you can feel more comfortable actually. So that you can feel what exactly? More comfortable. Let me create a function, few more functions. Come on. DEF. DEF, what exactly? Sunday. My function name is what exactly? Sunday. Column. Next one. I like Sunday. I like what exactly, sir? I like Sunday because we can sleep long time. Am I right or not, sir? Because the reason is because we can wake up at 11 a.m. Am I right or not, sir? Good, good. Yeah. Save this example and you can just try to run this exam. What is output? Tell me. Very good. You got the point. What is output actually? Tell me, sir. Very good. No output actually. Why no output? What we need to do? Call the function. Sir, what is the name of the function? One more time. Can I call Monday actually? That point you need to catch. Once you created a function, ensure that you should know the name of the function. Whenever you are calling the function, always please call with the proper name. Call with what exactly? Proper name. If you are calling Monday, what you are going to get, hey Daniel, are you fine? Is it okay? Python will scold you like anything. There is a one error. Error name is a name error. Error name is what exactly? Now just try to see this one, sir. Exactly. What is error name? Name error. Good. Very good. I hope you got it. Go back. Just try to Sunday. Sir, we are almost very near. Good. Now just try to understand. Am I right or not? Like this, you can create a functions according to your interest actually. Good. Go back to the discussion. Now let me talk with online team actually. Online team, are you following, sir? I need a response, please. Case sense to case matters actually. Come on, please. Important. First of all, why I'm explaining, what is the third approach actually? Any idea? First of all, the topic name is what is the topic name? Methods in STR class. If you wanted to understand about the methods in STR class directly, I don't want to attack the topic actually. I just wanted to see, these are all, I'm just giving introduction about this topic actually. If you wanted to understand methods in string, then you need to understand 2 points actually practically. First point is STR is a predefined class. Second will be, generally speaking, this is the general notation. Class contains methods. Class contains what exactly? Methods actually. One more time. Class contains method. Last time. Sir, method always available inside of the class. Class is something like our human body. Class is something like what exactly? Human body. Inside human body, heart is available, brain is available, kidneys are available. These are all parts are called as a methods. These are all parts are called as what exactly? Methods. I will compare. Hold on. Yeah, any kind of Python program you can implement in 3 ways actually. First one is a procedure, function, object. Yeah, I hope I covered these two things actually. If you wanted to understand about the function oriented, then writing a program by using a function is called as a function oriented. Am I right or not? If you wanted to understand functions, there are mainly 2 parts you need to understand. What is the first part actually? How to create a function, how to access a function. Practically we have seen. Now, what is the third one? Tell me. Yeah, this point you should understand. If you understand this point actually, indirectly you are going to prove these 2 points actually. Are you ready? Till now, did you understand? Yeah, good. Get ready, sir. Again, I'm telling function oriented, how I made it separate topic actually. This topic also I made it separate topic. The topic name is called as a object oriented programming. The last topic in Python actually. Read everyone. What is the last topic? Object oriented programming. As of now, I'm not telling what is an object, how to create an object actually. These are all things. But let me explain like a function, how I explain actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Sir, Can somebody talk with me? If you wanted to understand functions, how many parts you need to understand? Actually, two parts. And if you wanted to understand about the object oriented programming, four parts you need to understand. How many parts actually? Four parts. Let us make you very clear actually. Good. First of all, what do you mean by object oriented programming? Writing a program, writing what exactly program by using, you tell me, object. What exactly, sir? Object is called as a object oriented approach actually. Good. If you wanted to understand object oriented approach, there are 4 points you need to understand. How many points, sir? 4 points. What is the first point? How to create a class. What is the first point actually? How to create a class. That is a point you need to understand. Second one, how to create, how to create, how to create method. That too inside of the class. Inside of what exactly? Method. Come on, what is the first point actually? How to create a class. First point. Very, very important, man. I will cover. Second point, how to create a method. One more time. Method. If somebody is talking about the method, you have to imagine always method should be available inside of class. Method should be available what exactly? Inside of the class, but not outside of the class. But not what exactly? Outside of the class. Good. Next one. How to create, how Now how is my voice, sir? Can I get a response? సార్ వాయిస్ వినపడట్లేదండి, ఇప్పుడు చూసాను నేను. బట్ ఇది రన్ అవుతుంది సార్, నాకేం వినపడట్లేదు. ఈ ప్లగ్ online team, can you hear me? Since last 15 minutes, I didn't understand single word. Can you repeat again? Sir, don't worry, online team. I will repeat again. Don't worry. Don't worry. Till now, I didn't hear you actually. Okay. Okay. Is my voice is clear now? లాస్ట్ పావుగంట నుంచి ఇష్యూ వస్తున్నాను సార్, బట్ ఇది బ్లింక్ అవుతూనే ఉంది. నేను దీన్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాను. అవునా, ఏం చేంజ్ చేయాలి సార్? మేబీ కెన్ యూ హెల్ప్ మీ? ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఓకే 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 థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. గుడ్, కూల్. ఓకే, కెన్ హియర్ సిన్స్ 15 minutes actually. Yeah, right now clear. But anyway, offline team, I need your help actually. Why? Because I need to maintain both are in parallel actually. Can I help one more time for them explanation? I will help actually. I need your response. Thank you. You can feel a kind of some revision actually. Online team, we discussed many movies, man, but you guys missed out actually. Anyway, I will give the. Let me recap the whole session one more time. Let me recap one more time, sir. From class topic actually, from the class topic. Okay. Oh, I just wanted to know from you, from when you are missing actually. Can I say from here you are missing? Can I get a response? From here you are missing, right? Yes. Since object oriented. Okay, 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 fine, all right. Actual important topic you are missing actually. Okay, let me repeat one more time. Go back. Offline team, I need a patience from you actually. What is the time? 15 minutes would you have? Good, let's continue. Please, offline team, please, you can feel kind of some revision. Let me tell you, any kind of Python program we can implement in a 3 ways actually. First one is a procedure oriented. Second one is what exactly, sir? Function oriented. Second one is a function oriented actually. And third one is what exactly? Object oriented. Third one is what exactly? Object. If you wanted to understand about object oriented approach, if you wanted to understand what exactly object oriented approach, ensure that you need to understand 4 steps actually. You need to understand how many steps actually? 4 steps. No worries. There are few comments I'm seeing actually. I don't know. Pavan, literally, we are crying from last 15 minutes actually. Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I'm extremely sorry. I didn't notice this one. Extremely sorry actually. That's what. Let me tell you. If my favorite topic, I will dance actually. I never bother either students are listening or not actually. But frankly speaking, sir, who are all already know Python, I'm sure you can cross check actually. No one never explain like this. I mean, if anyone already know Python, you can check with them. If you are new to my session, actually, you can feel this is anyone can explain actually. No, the explanation what I have given just to prove methods in STR actually, even in Google, YouTube, you cannot get this explanation actually. But anyway, I'm not boosting myself. I'm extremely sorry, sir. Pavan, sir, extremely sorry. But anyway, so let us just try to revise one more time. Good, good. Don't worry. Let me explain one more time. Come on. If you wanted to understand about object oriented approach actually, if you wanted to understand object oriented approach, there are 4 steps you need to understand. What is the first step name? Create a class. How to create what exactly? Class. That point you need to understand. Second one will be how to create a method inside of the class. Inside of what exactly? Class. And third point will be how to create object to a class. How to create object to what exactly, sir? Class. And fourth point will be how to access or call a method. Call what exactly? Method. what are all important words, can I make it bold actually? How to create a method, how to create what exactly? Method, how to create a object, very good, and how to create access or call. Yeah. Like if for function, how we learned how to create a function and how to access a function. Whenever if you wanted to learn about the object oriented approach, you need to learn about the four things actually. Come on, first one, how to create a class, how to create a method inside of the class, how to create object to a class, how to access or call a method. Good, very good. Now let me tell you how to create a class. Why I'm explaining these are all things, why? Because if you understand the third approach, you will understand one important point actually. What is that important point, sir? str is a class and str class having what exactly? Methods. If you wanted to understand that statement actually, forget about that one. Let me prove practically. Let me create a class. Inside class, let me create a method. How to access a method, let me show you. That's a practical proof for class having what exactly? Method. Class having what exactly? Method. Good, let me prove. Now just try to come here, and we can create a class by using class keyword. By using what keyword actually? Class keyword actually. Yeah. CLASS. After this class keyword, name of the class, anything we can give. Class space name of the class. Name of the class is what exactly? Daniel. There is a reason, important reason. D capital I have given. What I have given actually? Capital. Very, very important. Previously, when I was creating a function, I have given lowercase. Did you notice actually? There is an important reason. Later I will explain actually. Good. Class Daniel. Later, the next one will be, yeah, successfully I have created a class. Sir, inside class, class is something like our body. And inside our body, the important organs will be, important parts will be heart, brain, kidneys, how we are having. Whenever you are talking about the class, inside class, automatically methods we need to create. What we need to create actually? Methods we need to create actually. I'm scaring when I'm getting a text actually. Good. Next one. Now DEF. Sir, wherever column came, what is the next line actually? Online team, I need response from you. DEF, and here let me just try to write a method. Let me just try to write what exactly, sir? Method actually. My method name is a wish. Method name is what exactly? We can create a method inside a class by using def keyword. By using what keyword actually? Def keyword. Name of the method. But remember one thing, one small notation. Inside method within parenthesis, you need to write one predefined variable. One predefined variable. That predefined variable name is a self, but not selfish actually. Good. Now column. Sir, wherever column came, indentation is required. Here, how many indentation actually? First one is for class, second one for method actually. Print. Hold on. Online team, hold on. మీరు ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా రివిజన్ ని. Am I right? It's a kind of revision, right? Print of. Yeah. Hello. Good. Next one is what exactly? Print of uh, good evening. Good evening. See, successfully I have created a class and I have created a method. Two things done automatically. Now let's run this example. Let's run this example. Now just try to say, sorry sir, no output actually. I mean to say that if you are creating a class and method, immediately we should not celebrate festival. I mean to say that we cannot see the output actually. Ultimately, being a data scientist, we should see the output actually. How to see the output, sir? Hey, previously, how I call function directly, can I call the method directly? No, sir. Please, we should not call actually. But let me show you. If you're calling, what happened, you will get a error. Error name is a name error. What is that error name? Indirectly, Python is telling, which you didn't define, but I defined. Python is telling you, means Python is unable to recognize. Then we need to tell to the Python, hey, Python, wish is available inside class. Wish is available where exactly? Then how you can tell, by taking the help from the object. By taking help from what exactly? Conclusion of the story. If you wanted to call the method, we need to create object. We need to create what exactly? How to create object, D equals to name of the class. This notation you need to provide. This is the object creation. First step, class creation. Second step, method creation. Third step, object creation. Sir, one more time. Class creation, method creation, object creation. What is the last step actually? Call or access the method. Call or what exactly? Access. Simple, sir. D dot what exactly? We should. You did what exactly? We should. Then done actually. Now just try to run this example. Hello, good evening. I hope you are getting clear picture. Let me talk with online team. Online team, did you understand at least now actually? What is a self? Can I cover later? Would you have a 10 minutes discussion? What is a self I can cover later? Please. Very good. Sriram, nice response. Sheila, nice response. Srikant. Is method and function same actually? Not same, separate discussion. Srikant sir, it is not same actually, separate discussion. Separate discussion. Good. Now online team, I need a small help actually. Take this one. In front of you, let me create a one more class. Let me create what exactly? One more class actually, so that you will get a very clear picture. Good. What is the class name I'm writing? Class, let us just try to write a Prabhas. Prabhas actually. Good. Now, please observe this one. Means intentionally I am giving some names actually, so that you will get a clear picture. Class name can be anything. Class name can be what exactly, sir? Anything. Good. Then let me create a method. DEF movies. DEF what exactly? Movies actually. Good. Call next one. See, and print first movie. Tell me, sir. Bahubali. One. Next one is a two. Very good. Bahubali 2 actually. Good. See, successfully I have created two things. What is the first one? Class. Next one, method. What is my method name? What is the class name? Perfect. Sir, can I call the movies directly actually? No, how can you call actually? You will get an error. To call the movies, hold on. To call the movies, what we need to do, just before the step, create an object. Create what exactly, sir? An object. How to create an object, sir? The creating object syntax is P equals to the class name is what exactly, P equals to Prabhas. Like this, we can create. Exactly. Then still, can I call like this actually? No, just to come here, P dot. Everyone tell me P dot. Dot is a notation, bridge. Dot is what exactly? Bridge in between object and method actually. In between what exactly? Object and method. Good. I hope you understand this one. And regarding this one, let us have a kind notation actually. Good. All steps I have explained in one shot actually. Good. Here regarding the program explanation, let me have a program explanation. What is a program explanation? Do let me know. Prabhas is what exactly, sir? Hold on. Class is a keyword in Python. Class is what exactly? Keyword in online team. Are you following? Online team. Are you following? The next one is a, Prabhas. Name of the class. Tell me, sir, please. Name of the class. Good. And next one is movies is what exactly? Yeah, name of the method. And P equals to object to the class. Object to Prabhas class. Can I say that one actually? Prabhas class actually. Next one, P equals to name of the class. Here you need to provide. This syntax is called as a, creating an object. Creating what exactly? Object. And last one is P dot movies. P dot what exactly? Movies actually. This is called as a calling the method. Calling what exactly? Method. Did you understand these are all notation? Good. Now let me prove practically. Sir, how a Prabhas is a class, backend in Python, backend it, sir, can I say this is created by whom actually? Created by Daniel actually. Created by what exactly? Daniel. Can I say that one? Sir, same thing like that. In Python, predefined class is available. That class name is a str. Class name is what exactly? Str. Like how Prabhas is a name of the class and str is a predefined class. Str is what exactly? Predefined class. So what? If you are discussing about the class, inside a class, definitely one thing should be available. That is nothing but a method. What is that one actually? Method. Now inside str class actually, there is a method name is called as a upper. Name of the method in str class. Name of the method in what exactly? Str class actually. All right. Can I continue tomorrow? I thought I can close today actually. Good. We'll see. Yeah. Regarding what, sir, we didn't even enter into the topic actually. Read the topic name. Methods in str class. What I can say, 80% explanation is done. 80%. Still 20% is pending actually. After 20% explanation, then I will start this heading actually. I'm sure the things will be goes very smooth actually. Are you getting? I hope you're getting. But a small request actually. Before you are coming for tomorrow session, please do these are all practice. Walk through the running notes very carefully. Okay? Yeah. Online team, can I get a response? Your voice is explanation, so no one has thought the way you teaching. I'm happy that I got a trainer like you. Seriously? Very good, sir. No, no, continue. Very good. There is a good comment actually. Very nice explanation. So no one has thought the way you are teaching us. I am so happy that I got. Sir, it is not biscuit, right? Tell me, it is not biscuit. I hope. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, yeah. Let's move on. Good, good. Thank you. And let me upload the running notes, please. Material, I hope I already uploaded. Online team, can somebody take a snapshot and share our WhatsApp group actually? One person. Take a snapshot and share our WhatsApp group. Why? Because here onwards, these are all important points you need to understand. Online team. One person take a snapshot, please, very quickly. And share WhatsApp group immediately. Good. Let me upload running notes, boss, please. So Ranjan call you, sir. 1 minute. Let me show. Oh, thank you. Thank you for informing. Otherwise, people may miss actually. Yeah. For the string, I need to upload running notes actually. The last topic. Good. Anything is pending? Nothing is pending, right? Tomorrow is a Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday, would you have a practice session? Would you have what exactly? Practice session. Tomorrow agenda, let me tell you. Tomorrow, we are going to close the string topic. We may enter into the next topic. Topic name is called as a functions. What is the topic name? Please don't miss the topic actually. And tomorrow is actually interesting topic. Why? Because I have given introduction, methods in STR class actually. These are all just introduction. Tomorrow, you literally will enjoy the session actually. Did you understand today's session? Good. Online team. Online team, can I get a response? Here onwards, I will follow very quickly. I'm sorry. I will follow the chart also. Thank you. We done for today's session. Thank you for attending everyone the session. Thank you. Thank you so much. Online team, we done for today's session.